Alright, check this out. I was trying to get this thing to work. And I was following Elon Musk's his theory on this rocket ship right here, but it keeps exploding. I don't know what the hell's going on. Every time I try to get this thing to work. Psych. Look what I got here. I finally got it. I said I wasn't gonna get it. I said I might consider it. And I figured, you know what? Somebody made a good point. I do live in Vegas. It gets hot as hell here in the summer. So I might as well just get it because it's good for the longevity of the car, you know? I know I acted pretty stupid in my last video, but the fact is I still owe money on that thing, so I might as well keep it running as long as I can. I already got 84,000 miles on it now. Car seems to be running fine. The check engine light didn't come back from the last video. So back to the intercooler. There's the intercooler right there. I'm surprised how heavy it is. I think it's pretty heavy. I think it's about like 30 pounds, 35, 40 pounds. All the pipes that it came with. Brackets right there. The hot side, cold side. Oh no, this is actually the cold side because I gotta replace the map sensor. I'll figure it out. I haven't done this shit before, and I didn't see any videos on YouTube for a Cadillac ATS intercooler install for ZZP. The only one I could find is from Mishimoto, and no capping on Mishimoto. They got some good products, but they have an installation video for a Camaro 2.0, and but their intercooler is pretty much the same size as a stock intercooler, and it also gets pancaked in between the AC condenser and the radiator. So I think this is a better investment because this goes right up front, and it's more free-flowing air, and it's smaller. I get a lot of questions on the comments. What kind of lip do you use for your car? And there it is right there, you guys. It's just a universal lip right there. It's from Easy Lip. I would recommend getting the Easy Lip Pro, because if you get the Pro, you're getting the 2-inch lip, and it just looks better. It looks more full. This whole thing right here is about 50 bucks. You could also use it as a side skirt or what, but I'm going to be replacing the lip that I have now. It actually covers up the screws that I need to get to remove the belly panel. Hopefully everything goes down smooth. See how it goes. Got the AC condenser out. Now all I got to do is unseat the intercooler, because it is holding on to the radiator just as it was right there onto that. Alright, here's the best view right there. See how that comes out? So I gotta put the phone down and That was not easy. There it is. There's the stock intercooler. And that wasn't fun. What I'm supposed to do is move this one notch back to where that was sitting. Alright, and now as you can see, the condenser is in place where the intercooler used to be. Alright, so what I did now was I installed brackets. Yeah, the brackets are using existing bolts that are already there. We also made it pretty simple because it says passenger on that one and it says driver on this side. So what I gotta do now is just install the intercooler, run the pipes, and put everything back, and that'll be the end of it. This came with a throttle body, ZZP throttle body kit, and the new pipe already comes with this piece, so I had to take the map sensor off, and now it's sitting there. So yeah, don't buy the throttle body kit if you plan on getting the intercooler. So one of the things I wanted to note too is that with the Mishimoto intercooler, this whole piece right there comes off. With this ZZP version, you only take the silicone part off. And I've already replaced it. So all I'm doing now is I'm tightening it up